Hello YouTube, RJ. Hey, mailbag. More junk from AliExpress. Don't even remember all what's in here. Let's see what we got. Okay. Not sure what that is. We'll set that over here. Not sure what that is. We'll set that over here. Know what this is. We'll set that over here. We will set that right here. So we'll start with this one. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, I don't know what this is now. This is a thermometer. Let's make sure we got a little focus here. This is a thermometer. And we'll play around with this at some point. I'm guessing this will be my solder stand. Soldering iron stand. I do know I ordered one of those. Actually, I needed one. Why did I need one? Well, I'll tell you why. I needed one for this soldering iron. This HSO1 that you've seen me review and use on the channel. I need a soldering stand for it. And I was looking, there were some different choices. And I thought that I had seen another YouTuber, Unibyte, get one and review it. And I asked him about it, and he said, yes, it's a good stand that I'd probably like it. It's kind of hefty. It's because I was saying, yeah, it's not super cheap. It's like 20 bucks. And he said, when you get it, it's worth it. It's fairly heavy. Seriously made, quality type thing. So I ordered one. And gotta agree with him. Doesn't look like some cheap stamp steel piece of junk looking thing. It looks quite nice actually. Just that's got a good feel. A little tray, a little sponge. Let's get our sponge out. Yeah. I agree with you. So it's not the typical cheap little ones. Let's see how this thing fits. That's what I want to know. Nice. Like it. Fits nice. That's going to be nice. This is way nicer setup than the one that came with my soldering station actually. Yeah, I like that. I probably should have ordered 2 of them. That's nice. Works for either iron. This one here doesn't really fit this very well. It fits in here nice. Yeah. Yeah, this is an ST90, by the way. ST90 soldering iron holder stand, soldering iron stand. I like it. I like it. I got some good advice on that one. That's very nice. Has a very good feel putting it in and out. You don't have to be super accurate with it. It just hits just right. Yeah, I like it. I like it. That's gonna work great. And look at that. You can put it in. That's fantastic. You can even put it in with the protective cover on for storage. So good deal. Thanks Unibyte. I like it. You were right. $20 was not too much to pay for it. I really don't think so. Okay, what else do we have? Let's see what else I can find here in the mailbag for us today. I order this stuff and it takes a few weeks, and I'm so senile I forget what I ordered. Oh, I know what this is. This really has nothing to do with the lab. I cleaned up the garage, and I mean cleaned up. Right after I retired about a year ago, a little over a year ago, I brought in a dumpster and cleaned my garage out. I have quite a large garage. And in the process, I believe I have lost the chuck key to my drill press. So I saw this on there. It was like $1.79. So I picked that up, and not knowing exactly what size chuck key fit my drill, I figured this is a safe bet. Chances are one of these will work. So we'll have to try that out and find out. Take that out to the garage. Next is something for ham radio. I have an FT710 Yaesu as my main ham rig. I have the home built rig, but I use the Yaesu majority of the time since I've picked it up. And they have, the Yaesus use these plugs right here. The 4-pin little modular plug and some fuses. And recently I decided I'd like to try POTA, so I need to be able to put my little rig in my car. And so I wanted to get a cord with the fuses that I could add on to, run back and connect to my car. And being an electric car, it's got a 12-volt battery. It's got a gas engine too. It's not your typical, it's a Chevy Volt. It's kind of odd. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend this with cable back and connect it with a set of, probably going to use some power pole connectors where I can easily open up the hatchback, plug this cable in that I'm going to add to here, bring this up to the front seat, plug it into the passenger seat, and power my radio so I can go POTA. And I went to buy one, and I went and found them on Amazon, different places, and they want, you know, $15-20 for one. And while I was going through AliExpress, lo and behold, I came across the same thing, and it was $4.99. So I knew I'd be putting an order in, so I went ahead and ordered it when I did. And so that's what this is about. Got one more device that we haven't opened. Well, we did open it. It's the thermometer. I'm not going to deal with that in this video. I'm going to actually do a separate little review video on that item. I'll be posting that up, so check that out. We're just going to look at that little device, do a real short little video where we look at it, talk about it, test it, see what we think of it. Basically, open the box and review it. So, hey, thanks for tuning in. Hope to catch you in my next video.